Yeah. Is there anything else that was acting up on it, or is it just the HDMI? Hey man, sorry, I was on the phone with another customer. So just HDMI on this one? Yeah, I could tell. It looks a little cooked on there. What's your name? Saquon. Yeah. Is there anything else that was acting up on it, or is it just the HDMI? Cool, bro. All right, man. I'll let you. Yeah, no, bro. I'll get it done right here, okay? It's jacked up, so we're gonna fix that. All right. I was like to make sure we're at least getting power. This blue light, we need to see that white light. There it is. We got that white light. There it is. Yeah, typically what happens is customers kind of just unplug the PlayStation while it was powered on, so it goes into that whole safe mode, boot, reboot, whatever thing. I'm gonna make sure it was working. So now we can get started. Get this out. Just to put it into perspective, that's a bad HDMI port. HDMI on there. Wow. Yeah, that's a problem. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this. And follow for part 2. And if you guys need personalized tech assistance in the Central Florida area, you can go ahead and reserve your appointment today for just $75 of my time for the first hour.